This is the lesson for 5.07, stating your claim, and there are 6 pages. The first page, of course, always being a quote and the objectives, and the last page always being assessment. So really it's 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 4 pages of reading. So I like this quote: be sure to put your feet in the right place, then stand firm. Abraham Lincoln. Let's go ahead and go to page 2. As you know from the previous reading, you were looking at 2 possible topics, the one about the college athletes and the one about banned books. So make sure that you review all of this, and they actually give you some resources. There's a link to resources there for you that you can use in your research. So that's why I wanted to show you this page. It's really useful stuff. When you get to page 3, you kind of are getting the instructions there. It says, after reading through the resources provided, take some time to decide what you think about the issue. Once you've chosen your position, use the Writing Your Claim worksheet to develop your claim. So you're going to click on that link and it's going to open up the Writing Your Claim worksheet. And just like all the rest of the worksheets, you can't type on it. You're going to have to copy and paste it into something else. But I expect you to answer each of these questions thoroughly, or do what it says thoroughly. Make sure that you use complete sentences, that you follow all of the basic rules of grammar, punctuation, and spelling, and just do a real complete job on this. Don't cut corners, don't be sloppy. Make sure that it is a complete and thorough job. Give it your best effort. So it says, at this time, use the steps you followed in the Writing Your Claim worksheet to create your claim. Write your 1-sentence claim here, and then select Submit to see how you did. So you'll do that down here, and you have had stuff like this before. So just, write it down and then submit it, and you'll get some feedback on it. Okay, let's keep going. Actually, I just want to talk about this a little bit more before we go to the next part, which is the counterclaim. When we talk about writing your claim, you're going to write it in a complete sentence, and your claim is your opinion. This is going to become your thesis statement. This is what your whole paper is going to be about, the thing that you are claiming. Now, for this, remember, you should not use phrases like I think, or I believe, or I feel. You should just state it. So instead of saying something like, I believe books should never be banned, just say, books should never be banned. Okay? Or maybe you think, books should be banned based on the audience that they are intended to go to. Oh, that's a terrible sentence, but something like that. And then you will give, you submit that, and it'll give you little questions to ask yourself about it. So this is where you are stating your opinion, but do not use the phrases I think, I feel, I believe. Don't say I think books should be banned based on the audience they're intended to go to. Just say books should be banned. Or you might say all books should be banned because writing is pure evil. Okay, maybe you're extreme like that. I don't know. so something like that. But you don't say I think. You just state it like it's a fact, because it is your opinion and it's what you're using to support, and you're putting it out there as though everybody should believe what you believe. So I did want to touch on that. Okay, so let's look at counterclaim. So the next part is about writing the counterclaim, and so that's what you believe that the other side would say against what you're saying. So if you say that all books should be banned because writing's evil, the other side might say that writing and reading foster intelligence, and so you have to come up with that counterclaim and then go with it. So you're going to use the Writing the Counterclaim worksheet, and I expect you to treat it exactly the same as the claim worksheet. So, and then you get to write your counterclaim in here and give that a try. The last part is developing your opening paragraph, and I want you to read all of this and learn about what an opening paragraph needs in it, and there is the opening paragraph worksheet to help guide you through that. Okay, and the last page is the assessment page, and looking over this, we learned that the only thing you're going to actually need to submit is your completed opening paragraph. Remember to follow all the basic rules of grammar, punctuation, and spelling, and contact me with questions. Thanks.